TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 1 p.m. Eastern time on Wednesday. Quite a market we have. Let's check in as the Dow Jones negative by 113 points, trading 24,295. S&P is negative by 2 points, trading at 2652, and the Nasdaq positive by 3 points, trading at 7,097. You got gold contract up $15, trading at 1361, and the oil contract up $1.19, trading at 66.63. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, take a look at some of those futures markets with 3 hours left to go in the trading day. Start things off with the Nasdaq 100, quite an acceleration to the upside from the pre-market lows that we had this morning. Nasdaq 100 currently trading at 66.25. We're as high as about 66.60, call it about noon Eastern time. Dow 30 currently trading 24,264. Market highs just after noon, 24,331, so pretty close to those highs, about 60, 70 points. S&P 500, pretty similar price action across the board for all the major indices. S&P 500 currently trading 26.52. Crude oil. So we had the EIA numbers coming out at 10:30 a.m. this morning. Quite a spike we got, above $67, all the way up to $67.42. From there, pulling back a bit, $66.80 in crude. Still quite a number for crude, quite an acceleration this week alone in that crude market. Gold doing well, also up almost at $13.70, $13.68.96. The high at about 11:40 a.m. Eastern time before pulling back a bit. Gold trading $13.60, and Bitcoin hovering around that 6,900 mark, 69.44 in Bitcoin. So what else you have going on fundamentally in the market? Mark Zuckerberg testifying for the second day ahead of Congress. Today he's in front of the House. See how he's doing. Let's check in on that Facebook stock and we see how it's going. Facebook had quite a day for itself yesterday. And today up as well, up 0.8% or $1.30. And what else we have going on? You have House Speaker Paul Ryan. He will not be running in November. There is your oil news. Oil jumping to a 3-year high. Pretty remarkable, that spike that we saw in oil. And Goldman Sachs upgrading Netflix. To jump over real quick. Up 3%. It just does not stop. And finally, who's coming up right now? We got our man Steve Rhodes with the Trader's Edge, and he will be live at 5 p.m. today. Check out all the details on the front page of TFNN, the 5 reasons traders and investors fail to spot a bear market. Stay tuned, folks. Have a great afternoon. Thanks.